Welcome to this lecture on influencer marketing and partnerships. We will be discussing how to leverage the power of influencer marketing and partnerships in content marketing. First, let's define influencer marketing and explain its role in content marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals who have a large and engaged following on social media or other platforms and using their influence to promote your brand or products. Influencer marketing can be an effective way to reach a targeted audience and increase brand awareness, website traffic, and conversions. Now, let's introduce the concept of partnerships and how they can be leveraged for content marketing purposes. Partnerships refer to the collaboration between two or more parties to achieve a common goal or objective. Partnerships can take many forms and can be a valuable component of a content marketing strategy. So, how do you identify relevant influencers and partners for your brand? Identifying relevant influencers and partners for your brand is an important step in executing a successful content marketing campaign. Here are some ways to identify relevant influencers and partners. Research and evaluate potential influencers and partners. Align with influencers and partners who share your brand values and goals. Look for influencers and partners in your industry. Utilize tools and platforms. First and foremost, it's important to research and evaluate potential influencers and partners to make sure they align with your brand's values and goals. Take a closer look at their audience demographics, reach, and engagement to determine their potential impact on your campaign, and once you've done your research, it's crucial to align with influencers and partners who share your brand values and goals. This will help ensure that the content produced as part of the collaboration resonates with your target audience. Another tip is to look for influencers and partners in your industry. They may already have a strong understanding of your product or service and be able to effectively promote it to their audience. Lastly, utilizing tools and platforms can help you find the right influencers and partners for your brand. There are various tools and platforms available that can provide access to a database of influencers and partners and allow you to filter your search based on specific criteria, such as audience size and engagement, by researching and evaluating potential influencers and partners, aligning with those who share your brand values and goals, and utilizing tools and platforms. Brands can identify relevant influencers and partners to partner with for their content marketing campaigns. Once you have identified relevant influencers and partners, building relationships with influencers and partners is an important step in executing a successful content marketing campaign. Here are some ways to build relationships with influencers and partners. Engage with their content. Reach out to them directly. Offer value. One way to build relationships with influencers and partners is to engage with their content by liking, commenting, and sharing it. This can help to establish a connection and show that you are interested in their work. Another way to build relationships with influencers and partners is to reach out to them directly, either through social media or email. This can be an opportunity to introduce your brand and explain why you think a collaboration would be beneficial for both parties. And last but not least, don't forget to offer value. Providing valuable content or resources can help establish trust and credibility with your potential influencer or partner. It's a win-win for everyone. In the end, building strong relationships with influencers and partners is key to a successful content marketing campaign. Engage with their content, reach out directly, and offer value to establish trust and credibility for future collaborations. Now, we're going to be talking about different ways to incorporate influencers and partners into your content marketing campaigns. First up, we have sponsored content. This is content that's created by an influencer or partner, but sponsored by a brand. The influencer or partner may receive compensation in exchange for promoting the brand's products or services through their content. Next, we have product placements. This involves featuring the brand's products or services prominently in the content created by the influencer or partner. This could be a video, blog post, or social media post. Finally, we have guest blogging. This is when an influencer or partner writes a blog post for a brand's website. They may be compensated for their work and also receive exposure to the brand's audience. It is important to have clear communication and set expectations with influencers and partners when incorporating them into content marketing campaigns. This may involve discussing the details of the collaboration, including the compensation and promotion of the content. It is also a good idea to consider using contracts and agreements to outline the terms of the collaboration and protect both parties. Measuring the effectiveness of influencer marketing and partnerships is an important step in determining the success of a content marketing campaign. By tracking relevant metrics and analyzing data, brands can identify areas for improvement and optimize their strategies for future campaigns. Now, we're going to discuss key metrics to consider when measuring the effectiveness of influencer marketing. First, we have reach. This refers to the number of people who have seen the content. Tracking reach is important because it helps us understand the potential impact of the content and how far it has been shared. Next, we have engagement. This refers to the interaction that people have with the content, such as likes, comments, and shares. Higher engagement can indicate that the content is resonating with the audience and may lead to increased conversions. Finally, we have conversions. This refers to the desired action that the content is intended to drive, such as a sale or sign up. By tracking conversions, brands can gain insights into the impact of the content on their business goals. Tools such as social media analytics and Google Analytics can be used to track influencer marketing effectiveness and gain valuable insights for informed future campaign decisions. To ensure the success of influencer marketing and partnership efforts, it is important to align them with overall content marketing goals and objectives. This can help to ensure that the content produced as part of the collaboration supports the brand's overall marketing efforts and helps to achieve desired outcomes. It is also important to integrate influencer marketing and partnership efforts into the content creation and distribution process. This may involve collaborating with influencers and partners on the development of the content and working with them to promote and distribute the content to their audiences. Ongoing analysis and optimization can also help. By tracking relevant metrics and analyzing data, brands can identify areas for improvement and optimize their strategies for future campaigns. This may involve adjusting the content, targeting, or distribution strategies to better align with the brand's goals and objectives. In conclusion, influencer marketing and partnerships can be a valuable addition to a content marketing strategy. To be effective, brands must find influencers and partners that align with their values and goals. Building relationships with these individuals through engagement and offering value is key. Influencer marketing and partnerships can take many forms, such as sponsored content, product placements, and guest blogging. Measuring the success of these campaigns through metrics such as reach and engagement is important to continuously improve.